They are all locked up. Starters orders, and they are off and racing for the second mock race. And as they settle down to stride, Divine Hope leads the pack by about a length and a half in front of Tyrannus in second. Moving up over on the outside, there is Oliver. Not too far behind there we have Brasilia. A further length and a half away on the inside, there is La Dolce Vita. Making a forward move on the far side, there is Siege Courageous. After that, there is Viking. Second last, there is Arrived, and the back marker is Alexandria. They approach the 800-meter marker, and it is still Divine Hope, the leader, by about half in front of Tyrannus in second. Traveling 3 deep on the outside, there is Oliver, who now takes over the running. So Oliver is the leader as they start negotiating the home turn from Tyrannus in second. Siege Courageous moves up on the inside to run third. After that, there is Brasilia. Arrived is also up on the outside, running a close fifth. Back behind them, there is Viking, Alexandria, and La Dolce Vita. 400 meters from the wire. Oliver is the leader by about a length in front of Arrived. Moving up very smoothly on the outside, and so too is Siege Courageous along the inside. But racing inside the final 150. Siege Courageous now has the lead from Oliver. After that, there is Arrived, but Siege Courageous, the winner of this mock race from Oliver, Arrived, Tyrannus, followed there by Viking, Brasilia, La Dolce Vita, and Alexandria as the race passed the finish.